That's not very nice of you barking at the courier, is it? He just delivered me something. Don't you look at that. Hey, I am telling you, I am Station Master West Green, Civil Subramanium. You must behave, my friend. So what have I got here? Modelling toys. What? Toys? It's a ruddy train set. I mean, model railway. I know what this is, so I open it. Oh, don't you love it? I'm glad I suffer from Alzheimer's disease. I forgot, well, what did I order? Hang on, let's put it on the floor, sorry. Oh, lovely. I guess it's from Hatton's. Shut up, clock. Who wound you up? Gauge Master, modelling accessory. It's a DCC control, reverse loop controller. Wonderful. I'm going to go and install it, see how it works. What do you think, Ruby? Hey, Ruby. Ruby, where's the ball? You rotten dog, you're not listening to me. What are you doing? Oh, she's got it. So, 33 quid for that, and it's got, don't chuck it in the bin. Blimey, I've just paid 33 quid. Why am I going to chuck it in the bin? They think I'm stupid or something. So, according to this, the 2 yellow wires go to my loop, and the reds go to the main. Blimey, that shouldn't be too hard to wire up, should it? Let's go and try it right now. Ruby, what do you reckon? Shall I try it? Here, Ruby, my friend. Ruby, where's the ball? Bloody dog. Do you want a smacko? No. So, here I am at West Green. Or Fattock's End, actually. This is the terminus. Fattock's End. So, what I've done, I've just wired this up. This is it. This is me £33, don't stick in the bin, Gauge Master DCC40 reverse loop controller module. 33 quid. They're having a laugh. In the good old days, probably 1966, you get it for about 50p. Just joking. Actually, it looks like something Marvin the Martian would have. Yes. The Elude Input 33 space modulator. Oh, it's got capacitor in it. Electrolytic. 25 volts, 1000 mic. No flux capacitors though, because they require too many gigawatts. So anyway, so basically I've got DCC coming here, then I've strapped from there to there to there, and that's these 3 sets of wires coming in here. Then it goes in to the controller, the red module. This is the loop, so it comes out. Those 2 wires there go to the deck. Now the problem is with this deck, well, it's not a problem. When you turn it, you've got opposite polarity. Unlike the Pico turntables, not when they make an O-gauge one, they've got a split loop, so it actually changes it, but this doesn't. And before I had this, up till this morning, I just had a double pole, double throw switch. The centre terminals went to the turntable, and then I took the power to there and I swapped them over, so all you had to do was throw a switch. And you think, well, that's not too hard, but if you forget which way the turntable's round, when a loco comes on, it's short. So now it doesn't do it. So what we'll do, I'll prove this to you. If I reverse this loco, this is 67721. Let's hope it doesn't stall going on the table sometimes. There you go, that's gone on. Oh, lucky I've got buffer stops there. See, I don't muck around. You get my bloopers and everything. Right, so if I turn it round, oh, that's not quite right, is it? The hand of God. Right. Don't know why this is getting... Come on. Let's try my old Billy Bunter. I call him a Billy Bunter. It's not. I want to know what Muppet called him a Gronk. What a Muppet, a Gronk. How do I come up with that name? Let's change the loco. 3305. Enter. It's going forward. Reverse. Headlight on. It does go faster than this, but I like the speed. Watch. It's too fast. I like lining up by eye. This is a fun bit. God, look at that. Let's have a bit of dirt on it. And again, I'll have to clean. Oh, look at that. Just a bit of dirt started by itself. So that works. So that's good. So I drew, look here, look, I drew this up earlier. Do you like me stick? Used to get this at school. Ro, come here. 6 of the best. That was in the old days, before we had all this political, was it? Liberalism or whatever you call it. So there's my DCC power. Comes in, I've got 2 wires there. So what I've done, I've paralleled up. So this is my chocolate block connector or terminal. So I've paralleled the 3 wires up, so that powers. So that means there's power to the these 3 roads. Goes into the chocolate block, out on the red wires to this box of magic. This is my Illudium P33 space modulator. Out my yellow wires, and that goes to a terminal block underneath the turntable and goes through, and there's 2 little plunger pickups, and there's slip rings, and that's it. Now you can use this, you either could do that, or you can have just like a point and a loop, and as long as you isolate it, it reverses the polarity. Pretty good, eh? Anyway, that's it. That's it from me. Alright, I'm out of here. Hope you enjoyed my video. A few laughs and everything, eh? 6 of the best. Who else got the cane at school on lines? God, we had some teachers. Old Eckert, he was a Nazi, that geezer. He was tough. I think he's a sadistic bloke, he was. He just like caning boys.